Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make plantain frittata without an oven. First, gather your ingredients: 3 to 4 ripe plantains, 6 large eggs, and your preferred vegetables like onions and bell peppers. Peel and slice the plantains into 1/4 inch rounds. Then, in a non-stick skillet, sauté your chopped onions and bell peppers until they are tender and fragrant. This sets a delicious base for our frittata. Next, let's get those plantains perfectly golden. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a clean non-stick skillet over medium heat. Carefully add your sliced plantains in a single layer, cooking them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. Once cooked, remove the plantains and set them aside on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. Now it's time to bring everything together for our delicious frittata. In a bowl, whisk 6 large eggs with a splash of milk, a pinch of salt, and a dash of black pepper until well combined. Arrange your golden plantains and sautéed vegetables evenly across the bottom of your skillet. Then, pour the whisked egg mixture over all the ingredients, making sure everything is nicely covered and distributed. To finish, cover the skillet with a lid and cook on low heat for approximately 10 to 12 minutes. The frittata is ready when the eggs are fully set and the edges are beautifully golden brown. You can gently jiggle the pan to check for doneness. Let it cool slightly before slicing and serving. And hey, while you're enjoying this easy meal, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.